Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Ariya. In this video I'll show you how safe this car is. The Ariya is a very safe vehicle, equipped with advanced safety systems like emergency braking, lane assist and ProPILOT. It includes a central airbag and strong structural design for crash protection. It received 5-star rating from Euro NCAP with excellent safety assist scores. The inclusion of predictive forward collision warning adds an extra layer of monitoring system. Overall, it performs strongly in both active and passive safety categories. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.